So Adam, where are we right now?
We are in the Savannah Institute's Tree Crop Improvement Program's germplasm collection for American persimmon.
So there is an American persimmon in that tree tube right there.
There is, still asleep right now, but hopefully it'll wake up soon. We've actually got about 1,000 of them in this field, and the plan is to let them all grow up, then we'll graft them. So we will clone existing parent trees, and we'll have copies of them essentially, and that'll give us an insurance policy. So as these varieties grow older and people phase in and out of farming, we'll have a source to share this material with future farmers, preserve it from existing farmers, and see how all these varieties do side by side in this environment.
Great. So you'll be taking cuttings from the trees here that do well and spreading them out to anyone who's interested. So these trees will potentially move far beyond where they are right now, it sounds like.
Yeah, I mean, one of the big bottlenecks we've seen is in the nursery side of things. So once we find these great plants, people can't get them. There's not enough supply. So by doing this, this lets us accelerate all of that. As soon as we find good varieties in our breeding programs, we can graft them here. And then when they're ready for release, we'll have plenty of scion wood to get out into the nursery industry and eventually to get out to you.
And when you talk about looking for the good trees, what are the things that make a persimmon tree good or desirable?
Well, up in this part of the world, surviving is the first step. We are at the northern edge of American persimmon's range, and it's pretty cold. But that's the point. We actually planted 70,000 American persimmon seeds 3 years ago, and we let them die. A lot of them did die, and that's the point. We want to find the ones that survived. So of that original population, 5,000 will be planted in the field just over there in a couple of weeks, and then we can see how they perform. Once they survive, which is the first step, we're looking at things like fruit size and quality. We want it to taste good. American persimmons have high tannin content, so if you eat them when they're unripe, you get that dry mouthfeel after you have a dark cup of tea or a dark glass of red wine. So we're looking for lower tannin content, that way they're a bit more palatable for the American palate. Looking for small or no seeds, looking for a firmer fruit that can be transported well, and of course we're looking for fruit size and yield and plant health. We want to make sure it doesn't get pests or diseases, and it can perform in these low input orchards that we're hoping can be a part of agroforestry in the future.